Okay, now for this activity, it's either a speaking or a writing activity, depending on whether you have a partner. It's called Open Sentences for Environmental Problems. If you're working with a partner, take turns reading the prompts, that's the questions, which I'll show you in a minute, and completing the sentences. Okay, now you can use both this document and the feelings worksheet is available on the Facebook page. And partner one will listen actively and compassionately and then repeat what partner two says. Okay, not everything, just a summary about your partner's response. Now, if you don't have a partner, you're working alone, you can go ahead and write those out. And again, always feel free to post those on the Facebook, in the Facebook group, or email them to me, and I will comment as I have time. So here are our prompts or questions. These are the sentences which you'll be completing. There's three. When I think about all the problems humans are causing on the planet, I feel, and what you'll do, again, this is the next slide, but you can go ahead and refer to this feelings chart if you want. Again, it's available on the Facebook page. If you don't have any ideas about feelings. So, number two, when I take some time to feel and choose one of those feelings or one of your own, it makes me think. When I take some time to feel whatever it is I'm feeling, it makes me think what thoughts come out of those feelings. And finally, the belief I have about this is, now there's a difference between a thought and a belief. So something that I have a strong convictions, something that I feel strongly about, something that I think strongly about is a belief. So go ahead and take some time with your partner or with your pen and your paper and complete those sentences. Once again, you're more than welcome to post those or send those to me.